If you're a beginner traveler, this is a video for you. The first thing you have to do when you're trying to figure out where in the world you want to go on a trip, you have to figure out what are your intentions for going on this trip. Is it to, of course, try the food in the area? Is it to hike in the area? Is it to see some sights? Is it to just relax? You have to figure out what it is that you want to get out of this trip. That's number one. The next thing is to figure out whether you're trying to go to another state, like from Arizona to California, or are you going from country to country, United States over to Japan, or are you going from United States to an island, the Caribbean islands, or Bahamas, I guess I put it that way. Are you wanting to go on a cruise? You have to figure out what kind of trip you want, and that's going to determine what kind of things you have to actually plan for on your trip. What is your budget for this trip? Do you have $1,000? Do you have $500? Do you have $2,000? Or is it unlimited? What is your budget for this trip? That will definitely dictate where you can go and where you cannot go. I know that traveling for the first time or trying to get out there and step out there is scary, but like I said, you can definitely do it. But like I said, you have to plan first. You can't just get out there and just go and just figure it out on the way. I guess you could, but there will be a lot of issues probably along the way too. But I would definitely suggest just to kind of, like I said, to step back and figure out what is your intentions for this trip, where it is that you're trying to go, and how you plan on getting there. You got this. It can be done. I did it. You can do it too. And there's others just like you who are beginners who are trying to figure out how to travel as well. So get out there and do it, y'all.